Hi folks, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the Flipkart vacuum cleaner. So its capacity of motor is 800 watts. So it's like usable two ways, suction type and blower type. So let's quickly open the box and see what is inside the product. So let's wrap it up quickly. So if you see here, I have provided the instruction manual. So this is the cleaning kit. So they have given some warnings, everything details, and so the part names and everything they have provided here. So how to use and how to clean the product also they have provided neatly. So if you go through this, you can understand. And few of the troubleshooting guidance also they have provided, like what is the issue and how to resolve it, and what will we do after the resolution, possible solutions, possible reasons, everything they have neatly provided. These are the sufficient for normally we can repair our own vacuum cleaner. So this is providing the power, how much power the motor 800 watts, and frequency 50 Hz, noise is less than 80 dB, so that's quite good. This is a product for house purpose. So who will want to clean the house, okay, where there is no much time and they have want to be allergic with the dust and everything, right? So they want to clean the sofas and the mesh doors. So a lot of the dust is attached to the mesh doors. So that time we can use this product. So if you see the product inside, right, what is the they have given, right? So if you see here, it's a flexible tube they have provided. It's nice. So this is the part we have to install into the machine part, and other part we have to hold it. It will reduce the flow of the air. We can use it. Yeah, let's see another product. So these are the plastic pipes. To expand it, to increase the length, so we can use 3 plastic tubes, which is around 1 meter length is there. And this is the floor brush, so we can use this floor brush to clean the floors, wooden surfaces, and everything. So here, if you see here, there is a pedal, so which will change the modes. We have two modes, like carpet mode and floor mode. So if you press on it, right, it will be changing into the carpet mode. So if it's up direction, means it's a floor mode. By seeing the back side, right, what is provided, right, so there is a brushes, left side and right side they have two brushes. So this is also like a brush model only, so it's like support, giving the support, and make sure this product is little bit up of the floor. Okay, so if you click on the pedal, right, so it will change the mode. So if you, the length of this brush, right, it's increasing, means we have to use into carpet mode. On the carpets, anything on the surfaces, so we can use it. Plain surfaces we have to don't need to be use the pedal, so it will go into the up direction, so it will quickly grab everything. So the particles, which is crevices and wooden surfaces, carpets, surface, carpet surfaces, and upholsters, means it's sofas covered with any textiles, right? So those all parts we can do it. So the main use of these all products is we can increase the length, so up to 4 meters of length we can you increase. And once if we hold it, right, we can see the 6 meters radius of the area we can cover it to clean vacuum. So I told you, like it's usable for blower as well, so we have to use this as a blower type. So let's keep inside. What is inside means, yeah, it's a brush type model, it's attachable, so we can use it to clean little bit big size section, we can use it. And if you want to clean the, and at a time we have to suck, right, so we have to use this brush model, so it will easily use as a cleaning, and it will at a time it should gather all the dust particles inside. Let's see the main product. Yeah, this is the main product. Let's put it back side. If you like to open, just so I'm trying to open this from the bag cover. Okay, it's open. So this is the look. So it's stylish and look. So I like the product looks. So I need to use this product and how to review it after using this product multiple times. So see, this is the way how it looks. It's a code, its code length also 3.8 meters long. So it's giving red color and yellow color stripes also on the code. So how much long we have to pull. If you expanding long, right, so it's showing indicator like yellow color. So beyond that also you can pull, but there is a red color tape is there, so you have to stop there. It's better. See here, back side it's showing, right, so this part we have to use for only suction time. So if you want to use it as a blower mode, right, so we have to remove it and we have to use this blower mode, right. So this is the blower mode, we have to use this as a blower mode. So at a blower mode, right, the air will be coming out direction, and at a same time the dust particles should not come outside, right, when suction time. So we have to use this one, so it will stop the dust particles, only air will flow from outside. As shown, it's a core. This is the dust particles holder, so whatever the dust particles is there, so it will keep here. So this is the on and off button, so we can easily use it as it's near to our thumb, right. So to detach this product, right, so we have to click on it, so it will detach this box, and we have to take it out and we have to clean the this part. So it's rubber part area is there, so no dust has to be passed through this filter. So this filter is like a HEPA filter, so high efficiency particulate air filter. So it's 99.97% of bacteria dust particles it not pass through it. So it's like on 0.3 microns bacteria also it will collect here. It will be collecting all the type of dust particles, everything. Let's try to keep it as it is again. So we have to keep notice that at the bottom side we have to be keep those two holes filled, then only we have to strongly force into this hole, then only it will fix. Okay, so after that, if you see here, this is the part where we have to use for the suction mode. So there is a rubber blocker is there, so it will use for not to come outside after the cleaning purpose is done, right. So it should not allow the bacteria, some dust particles from come outside. Okay, then it will be useful. So this is the main area. So if you see here, there is a button. So if you open the cord, right, if you pull the cord little bit, it will be locking system is provided. So when you keep pulling for 2-3 inches, right, it will lock here. See, sound is coming, right, so like that. If you pull like that, right, if you want after usage, if you want to make come back side, right, if you want to roll it out, so we have to plug this on this button, we have to press it. So if you press it, the code will come into normal position. Okay, let's use it by pulling this. So yeah, try to pull this. You see here, it's given yellow color tape, so it's indicator to, and this is the red color tape, so it should not be reach beyond that. So it's locking system. So once whatever the length we want to be, we have to pull that much level. So we have to use rest of the part, tubes. So this is the flexible tube, so let's use this flexible tube. So we have to attach the flexible tube this back side to our suction mode if you want to use as a suction type. So we have to be strongly recommend. So this is the part we have to use as a handle. So if you are pulling more air, then you have to close it. If you want to, let's say, to pull suction, right, so we have to open it. So this is the level to reduce the flow, right. So after that, right, we have to plug in, and let's see, have put some dust particles on the floor, and so let's start it. So The sound is if you hear right properly, it's less than 80 dB, so it's quite reasonable. So yeah, if I try to make see, and also action is using properly. See, all the particles, this much distance is taking, everything is taking, whatever the dust particles are there, they are taking. See here, so these are the dust particles we taking into this hole. So after unplug it, right, if you want to clean it, right, unplug the box, you have to remove it, so it should not come backside, right. That's the reason there is a rubber model cap provided. So after usage of this side, you have to unplug it like this, so it will come from here. If you see, no particles, dust particles, whatever we have taken, right, it's not came inside this. Okay, the machine will not get damaged. So if you see here, this is one more filter mode, so only the air will flow from here. So if any particles, dust particles are passed through this filter, right, then it will filter it out. So again, if you don't want to use this code, right, so we have to press this button. So at a time I will show you how it will. See, it will automatically grab all the code into the machine. It's too easy, not to be use hand power much. So this is the only way of cleaning the dust. And let's try to see the brush mode also, blower mode. So let's clean it out. So we have to clean it now. Everything is stuck inside this. We have to use the brush and we have to clean it, and we will drop everything bottom side. Yeah, we have to clean properly. Some particles are attached here. So yeah, let's see blower mode. Let's attach this again in regular position. So the flat surface should be in bottom side, and curve shape is in upward direction. So it should be fixed properly. Its attachment should be in proper attachment has to be done. So there is a some what grip is provided here. So it has to be reach that direction. So it has given the arrow mark as well. So that direction we have to be in upward direction. So like this we have to give, but we have to use this filter as well. So just attach this filter as well, make it tight to not pass through this into the filter. Again, this side is up direction, so we have to use like this, right? Yeah, it's done. So we have to attach here as I showed, seeing, right. So it has to be fill these two holes first. After that we can long press, so it will be useful, right? So we have to change into blower mode. So see how this blower mode is useful, how I have attached it, and please use this one. So see, the cord is locking every time. So now I am using blower mode, so I have to use this mode. Sorry for the trouble. Yeah, blower mode. So I have to use this in the bottom side, and I have to use this blower mode. I am trying to show you. So this is the blower mode. We want to reduce the flow of the air, right? So we have to make it like this, so air will flow in this direction. So this is the blower mode. So like this we have to use it. So see, all get cleaned here, the area totally. So that's it from my side. So this is the unboxing video of this vacuum cleaner. So I will share them review also after using few months. So thanks all, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.